Starting a car flipping business with just 200 pounds? Sounds impossible, right? But that's exactly how I started, with nothing but a small budget and big ambition. I turned that 200 investment into something much bigger, one car at a time. But here's the thing, we just getting started. I'll got something big in store. So stick around. This next step in our journey could be the game changer you will be waiting for. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Basically we bought this one weeks ago when I was there pouring heavy rain. Because of that we couldn't do any filming. Just we check basic checking whatever we need to buy, go underneath quickly check, and however we make a decision and we bought this one. Basically I took to the good road test, all good, I'm very happy. Then I'm going to have a look around what's going on. Basically this drop down body need to come out. Then after that I'm going to made a, not me, basically I'm take to the someone else to do the recovery body. And visually I can see all back two tires good, and the front also okay. When I bring it in, you can see the warning message, brake pad where okay. Basically two things we need to do. First thing I feeling somewhere not right, brake pad, or the brake pad where sensor not right. I don't know front or back. I had to remove the wheels and have a look, because this vehicle very difficult to identify what's going on until we remove the tires. And a part of that I checked MOT previous last MOT period last year. They drove like a around 1,000 miles. Very nothing. This 1,000 means nothing for the like this lorry. At the moment clock has a 86,000 miles, then it's nothing for this car. However, this one sit on the same place long time, couple of years could be. Then because of that I need to change oil and oil filter, right? Okay, at the moment a part of that I'm happy for the everything. Then the our next mission, remove the tires and the check if you need to do the brake pads. I can see from here the brake disc okay. If you need to do the brake pads, I'll do front or back, I don't know, might be the all around, never know. I'm going to check visually what's going on. If you need it, if change it, then the after that mission I'm going to do the oil service, just change engine oil and oil filter for safe side, because this one I'm not going to trading. I'm going to use it my future purpose, future recovery purpose. And I'm going to show you how I am going to make a money from this truck. At the moment I spend 5,000 for the this truck, and the body going to be another 3 grand. Altogether I feeling I'm going to finish from around 8 something. We'll see. Once I finish I'll show you again. Then after that tomorrow I'm going to remove this deck. Basically we can remove the deck, then after that no deck anymore. Yeah, that's the my next mission. I need maybe 4 5 people remove, lift up, put back, but Ashi with me, and I'll ask another couple of friends to join with me tomorrow morning. Big mission here tomorrow morning. Anyway, I'll show you step by step, but at the moment I am happy for the truck. All good, all work as should be. But unfortunately this is not a Euro 6 engine. Basically I had to pay EULAS. Yeah, but it doesn't matter, because this is my just starting. I don't know, because I don't want to spend fortune like a 15 grand 20 grand for the new truck, EULAS free, no point. Then I can start from the beginning, from the scratch, less money, less spending. Then I know what's going on. A part of that everything good. Also once I remove this cab, I'm going to trade in this cab, because I don't want to keep it this one. I'm going to trade in this one, and also this tow bar I'm going to keep it my future purpose, because I can fix this one to the new body. Then I can tow something. It's very helpful for me. It's come with the lorry, then I can keep it for the future. Yeah, that's it at the moment. I'll show you step by step what I'm going to do, what my colleague going to do for this one. See you soon. Right, I one done the next mission. Oh, very hard. So I don't know how many people here this morning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, massive task. Anyway, finally completed. Now you can see as it is, all good, all fine. Now next step, I need to clean the cab. You can see bit dirty. I want to clean the cab. Task also completed. Now then after that I'm going to fix ghost lock or something like a preventive stealing things, because this van very targeted to the people. They come and nick go, especially when I put the aluminium body, that one also targeted, and when I install winch, same thing. Yeah, I had to take a precaution as much I can, otherwise spend money 8-9 grand, it's been going boom, unfortunately. Anyway, now we completed this task. The next thing, I'm going to take this cab to the bed developing guy on Monday. Then after that, if I have a chance, if they allowed, then I make another video for you. But at the moment, I'm going to stop from here. We done everything as a second plan completed now. Then the next mission, make a body and converter for the recovery. Yeah, all done. See you soon.